Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy American Express gift cards online. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to buy American Express gift cards, go open your web browser first. Once you do that, in the search box, simply type in mxgiftcard.com and search. You'll be taken to this page right here. Tap on Shop Gift and e-gift cards, and on the next page you can go ahead and choose your card that you like. Simply tap on the card that you want to buy. Its value will be written at the bottom of the card display. On the next page you can go and tap on Email e-gift card option under Send By, and once you do that, from the drop down menu select the value for your card. You can choose between $25 to $3,000. Tap on your choice and enter the recipient's email in the next text field. Now, re-enter the email one more time, scroll down under gift message, and if you want to attach any message with the card that you send to one of your recipients, type in the recipient's name first, and once you do that, go to the From text field and type in the sender's name. After you do that, go ahead and type in your gift message in the text field. After you do that, go ahead and tap on Continue Shopping or tap on Add to Cart if you want to add it to the cart. Once you do that, you can go through the information once, and in order to order your gift card, tap on Proceed to Checkout. Now, under Customer Information, go ahead and enter your email address and then type in your phone number. After you do that, scroll down and tap on Continue to Payment. And on the next page, you'll need to enter your credit or debit card information. Go ahead and type in your card number in the first text field and then your security code on the next. Select the expiration month from the drop down and select your expiration year on the next. Now scroll a bit down and go ahead and enter your billing information. Type in your first name in the first text field you see, and then type in your last name on the next. Type in your street address, or you can enter your apartment or your suite number. Enter your city on the next, and then select your state from the drop down. Now go ahead and enter the zip code of your city, and then enter your phone number. Type in your business name on the next, and finally enter your date of birth. Once you do that, review your order one more time and tap on Check Here to agree to the business purchase your terms and conditions, and then finally tap on Place Order. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to buy American Express gift card online. It will be delivered to the recipient's email address within a few hours. I hope you liked the video. If it helped you in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.